Hello guys, and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create the following interactive dashboard, which is about data science job salaries. As you can see here, we're going to create many charts. We're going to start by creating filters, company location, and job title. Next, we're going to create three donut charts. We have companies by size, experience level, and employment type. Next, we have bar charts. We have a map, and we have a table for the average salary in US dollars by job title and experience level. As you can see, it is an interactive dashboard. When we select one, we get the corresponding values within the different charts. Same thing in here, same thing in the donut charts, etc. But before start creating our dashboard, let's first explore our dataset. Here we have our dataset, and to download it, you can find this link in the description. And here we have the different columns. So we have the work year, we have the experience level, so we have entry level, EN, MI for mid-level, intermediate, for senior level, and we have executive level, director. Next we have employment type, same thing, we have 4 different types. So we have PT for part-time, we have full-time, CT for contract, and we have freelance. Next we have the job title, we have the salary, salary currency, and salary in US dollars. We have employee residence, so employees primary country of residence. We have a remote ratio, company location, so the country of the employer's main office, and we have company size. So here we have 3 different sizes. We have S for small, M for medium, and L for large. Now let's import our dataset into Power BI and start creating our dashboard. Here I created a new project, and in order to get our data, we click on Get Data. We select Text CSV, Connect. Once you imported the dataset, you click on Load, and on the right you can see our different fields. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to change the background of our project, and to do that we select Visualizations, Format, Canvas Background, and on the color click on More Colors, and we write the following code. So we have 03.11.7a. okay, and transparency we select 0%. okay, just like that we have changed the background. The first thing that we are going to create are the filters. Okay, so we click on Data and also Visualizations. So we select the slicer, right? And the first one would be company location. Now I'm going to format that. So slicer settings, style, it will be drop down. And for the values, so we have the background, it will be this color. And also we're going to select the font as white bold, right? Okay, so decrease this one like that. And also on the header, so the background, it will be same, right? And also the values, they will be white bold. Okay, and same thing on general, so effects, visual border, it will be white 20, and background it will be the same color. Okay, it's like that to get our first filter, which is company location, and we can select any location that we want. All right, now we copy paste. Okay, so we can just put it this way, and instead of company location I'm going to select the job title. All right, so same thing here, we have all the titles for the different jobs. Next we are going to create the donut charts, right? So select here donut chart, and the first one, it will be companies by size. So select company size, and same thing on the values, we select the count of company size. And now I'm going to format our chart. So we can here decrease a little bit, right? Same thing in here. Okay, so we select the effects. So background, we select our color, right? The border, it will be white 20. Okay, so the title, same thing, we have companies by size, and it will be the center white bold, right? And for the labels, we select category and percent of total, the values bold white, and for the legend we select off. Okay, so here we have companies by size, and I'm going to duplicate that to create the remaining. So put it here, and this one in here, right? Here we have the experience level, right? So select experience level, same thing in here. And here we have employment type. So employment type, and same thing in here, right? We change the title. So here we have the experience level. And here we have the employment type. All right, now we change the colors. For the slices, the first one, we select the first one as this color, for example. The second one like that, and the third one, it will be this one. Same thing for the second one. We select, for example, this one. Next. And for the last one, like that. And same thing for employment type. For example, we select this color, then this color, third one, and we have this one. Okay, so like that we have our donut charts for companies by size, experience level, and employment type. Next, we are going to create bar chart. So duplicate this one, you can put it like that. Okay, select stacked column chart. So remove this one, remove this one. On the x-axis, we are going to put the experience level and employment type. And on the y-axis, we are going to put the average salary in US dollars. Okay. For the title, it will be the average salary in US dollar by employment type and experience level. Okay. Now I'm going to format that. So for the columns, we can select this color, for example. Okay. For the labels on and the values in white, right? And for grid lines horizontal, we remove them. and for the vertical put them in white solid, right? Next, for the y-axis, so the values display units in thousands, and it will be in white bold, right? We remove the title, and same thing for the x-axis. So remove the title, bold white, and like that we get our chart for average salary in US dollars by employment type and experience level. Next, we're going to duplicate this one, put it in here, and we're going to select map. So on the location, we're going to put company location, and the bubble size, it will be average salary in US dollars. So for the title, it will be average salary in US dollars by location. Okay, location. All right, and for the map settings, we select dark, and for the bubbles, we can select 10 with gray color. For example, we can choose this one. Okay, next we are going to duplicate also this one, so we put it in here like that. Okay, we select the clustered bar chart, so remove everything in here. We have company location and count on the x-axis. So I'm going to select top 10 employee residence. So the title, it will be top 10 employee residence. Okay, and for the units, the x-axis values, it will be row, right? And on the filters, so we select top n, so we put here 10, and here we have the count of company location, apply filter. Okay, so when we select all, for example, we can select only job title, we get the top 10 employee residence. Now for the last chart, which is our table, same thing, we click in here, we duplicate, so put it in here like that. We select table, right? And for the totals, we remove the total, right? On general, title on, so it will be average salary in US dollars by job title, right? And experience level. Okay, so we remove this one and we add the job title on the top of the list. Okay, so like that we have our table, right? Now I'm going to format that. Okay, so for the headers, background, it will be the background color, which is 03117A. Okay, it will be in the center white bold, and same thing for the values. So the text will be white, background, it is the same color, same thing in here, the text and the background. Okay, now we can decrease this one a little bit, and we can sort by the job title. Okay, so like that, if we close everything, we get our final dashboard for data science job salaries. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.